Hi, I'm Jasmine and I ordered this 4-foot lighted birch tree to put on my porch for decoration this winter and I am so excited about it. Here's how it comes. It has this plastic base. The base has holes right here and it comes with stakes so you could stake it down in your yard if you want to. Then the tree is also plastic. You can see it there. Plastic. But it has this birch wrap around it that looks so pretty. I like that it's plastic and that it comes apart like this because it's going to be so easy to store. But it looks like we just screw this on here. Just like that, and then the top just slides in here, I think. Yep, slides in. And there it is all put together. Then we're just gonna pull these up and I'm gonna spread them out. I'm gonna spread these out and put it on my porch and show you what it looks like all lit up. Right, and here it is all lit up on my porch in the daytime. It is so pretty. It's really great quality. I love how light it is because it's gonna make it easy to store, and it has a super long cord so you can stretch it out all the way across the porch if you want to. Each branch has multiple little twigs coming off of it and lights on every single one of them, which I love. Here it is all lit up at nighttime. So pretty. The great thing about this birch tree is it's indoor or outdoor. And you can get it in a 1-pack or a 2-pack. The lights come in this warm white, the cool white, or multicolor. This is so pretty and it looks so great on my porch. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.